Welcome to CedCommerce, eBay Marketplace Integration App. In this video I am going to tell you how to connect your eBay account with your Shopify store. So, first you need to select the type of account you want to connect. By selecting the live account, all the changes will be reflected on eBay frontend. Similarly, for Sandbox account, test account will be connected. Here I am connecting the Sandbox, that is test account. Select the eBay country for which you have eBay account, click on Connect button and then, it will ask you for redirecting to eBay account, click here. Seller need to enter their credentials, that is, ID and password of eBay account, and then, sign in. By accepting the terms and conditions, eBay account linked successfully. And now you are on next step, that is choosing the payment plan.